hands, work and drive, work and drive, work and drive. What's your road like? Come on, a bit slow. Just learn to steer around corners and drive around corners. Do you understand? Yeah. Got to liven it up a little bit, but pretty good job. Well done. Crossing okay? Yeah, I'm pressing it, but that one won't work this side because it's staggered. Did you know that? Now you do. If it's in a straight line, it will work
Both.
all of it in both. Alright, but because it was staggered, those people the opposite side weren't ever going to cause our side to change.
Okay.
Cracking.